This one's kind of the best one.
The best one?
What makes it the best? What makes it the best?
This is growing a lot.
Yeah.
How long have they been growing?
For wait,
What have you done? What did you do to the? What did you plant in the dirt before you saw this?
Which one?
To grow it.
What did we?
What did the seed look like?
The seed was tiny.
Tiny seed.
I think so.
And what's the first thing you saw pop out of the dirt?
The leaves.
It started out as like little
Tiny.
sprouts like that,
And then it grew bigger like this.
How do you feel about your beet? I mean your radish.
we're excited
Good.
to eat them.
Ooh, what are you gonna eat? How are you gonna eat them?
We're gonna make a salad.
Oh, brilliant!
Wait, who's
Have you
the
tried radishes
wait,
before?
is you-
And no.
Never. You have?
Neither.
Where have you
I
tried
think I
radishes
have.
before?
I went to this restaurant with my grandma.
Oh. Hi, Kiko. What do you think about the radish?
I don't want to look at it, then I want to eat it.